Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change your website colors in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website that you want to change colors for, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to edit this website colors, it's simple. Just go to styles, and from here you can change the color. Let's pick as you see now this color is changed. Wherever it was used the white, now it uses this, I think, brown color. To undo this action, just remember the before or the default code color from here, and you can use this square to pick the color, or copy and paste this code. Let's pick. Now this is how to change. Let's say you want to change this green color for all the buttons. Just go here, click on, let's use this yellow, my bad. Let's select this yellow color, click on accept. Just like that, all buttons use your selected colors. I forgot to copy the original green color code, but I will try to return to it just like this. Now let's see how to change the color for your website in Hostinger website builder without affecting all your website. For example, this header section, just click on it, go directly to style, and from here you can change the header background color. Now we are applying this, for example, this gray color only for the header. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders, and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Applying this for example, this gray color only for the header, not for the other sections. Let's pick this yellow, for example. Now let's see how to edit the color for this section. Same things, select this section, click on edit section. From the background, make sure to select color, and next to section color, you can use, or you can change the section color. Now let's see how to change the color for this button. For example, just select the form, click on edit form, go to style, and here, yes, where is the button? Now we are editing the form fields. We need to jump to the button tab and click on change button styles, and now we can edit the button fill color, for example this red, and as you see only this selected button color was changed, not this other one. And this is how to change website colors in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.